Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine, maintaining social distance, and enjoyed your holiday also. I hope you have done the homework for the holidays what I have given in the summer vacation. Today, we'll start with a new chapter, that is ratio and proportion. Today, we'll start with the proportion as because ratio part is not there in the syllabus. So, we are directly starting with proportion. This proportion part you have done already in class 8 or 9 also. Not 9, 8 and 7, 8 you have done ratio part. And proportion also something you have done. Today I'm just recapitulating once more time that see when it is given where A, B, C and D are said to be proportion, that time we can say that A by B equals to C by D. A, B and C and D are called terms. Here A and D first and fourth terms are called extreme, and B and C are called, that second and third term are called means. Then from here what I've written, that means these things we know that the product of extreme equals to product of means. Then A comma B comma C and D are in proportion, then D is the fourth proportion. Now we come across with a continued proportion. What does the word continued means? Continuation. That means see A, B, C, D, E dot 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 I have written are said to be in continued proportion if see A by B equals to B by C equals to C by D equals to D by E equals to E by. That means see this B and this B is continued, C is also continued, D is also continued, E is also continued. This will be going like this, continue. Next from here what we have written, see over here, that if A comma B comma C are in continued proportion, then A is the first proportion, B is the mean proportion and C is the third proportion. And if this is a third proportion, that means we can say that what continued proportion A by B equals to B by C. Then from here what we can write down, B square equals to AC. That means B into B equals to B square, A into C will be AC. That means we can write down, if there is a continued proportion, that means we can say that B square equals to AC. Now here I have taken one example. See, if X by A equals to Y by B equals to Z by C, prove that A square X square plus B square Y square plus C square Z square divided by A cube X plus B cube Y plus C cube Z whole to the power 3 by 2 equals to X Y Z by ABC root over. That means what you have to prove, both sides are equal or not. Then from here what you can write down, see these have taken what, see this kind of question, what you write down, just you take a k, any constant you take, let it be. Then from here X by A you can write down X equals to AK. Then in the similar way I can write down B equals to BK and Z equals to CK. Now what you will do, you have to substitute the value. Now you have to do what do, I've written the left hand side over here only, just in place of X I've written what, AK. See what is the value of A, what is the value of X, that is AK whole square. In place of Y I've written BK whole square, and C in place of Z I've written CK whole square. In the down also, then in denominator also same thing done. See AK, BK and CK I have done. Then from here I open the bracket, this will be A square K square plus B square into B square into K square. These dot are the multiplication. Okay, this you have done in the indices. Now same thing now from here what I can do, see I can take from this, how many terms, one term, two term, three term. In these three terms I can take the K square common, say written K square over here. Then what is the meaning, A square into A square will be A to the power 4, B square B to the power 4 and C to the power 4, and divided by, see from here also only the K part I can take common, K I have taken common. Then from here what I have written, A to the power 4, B to the power 4 plus C to the power 4. This whole part is cancelling out, then what is the remaining, and this K and this square will be cancelling out, and this is coming what, K to the power 3 by 2. This is not matching with the right hand side. Now again I will take the right hand side. See, right hand side I also taken, I put the value of X, Y and Z. Now from here X, K into K will be K cube, A into B into C will be ABC by ABC, cancelling out. Then what is the remaining, 3 by 2. Why, how it came to, that means what, we know that before the value of root is what, half. Then half into root 3, half into 3, what would be 3 by 2. Then that is coming what, LHS equals to RHS. Okay, I hope you have understood. I'll give you some sum also for the homework you have to do and complete it. Any problem, you see the pause the video and see the video 2 3 times or more times. If you want to see, you can see it. Okay, till then, have a nice day, be safe, goodbye.